Four space tourists safely splashed down in the Atlantic off the coast of Florida on Saturday, ending their trailblazing trip into orbit. Their SpaceX capsule parachuted into the ocean just before sunset, not far from where their chartered flight began 3 days earlier. The all-amateur crew were the first to circle the world without a professional astronaut. The billionaire, who paid an undisclosed amount for the trip, and his three guests wanted to show that ordinary people could blast into orbit by themselves. SpaceX founder Elon Musk took them on as the company's first rocket-riding tourists. SpaceX's fully automated Dragon capsule reached an unusually high altitude of 585 kilometers after Wednesday night's takeoff. That's 160 kilometers above the International Space Station. From that height, the passengers were able to take in views of Earth through a big bubble-shaped window added to the top of the capsule.